If your Google Chrome download shelf suddenly disappeared and you want the classic bottom download bar back, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to restore the download shelf in Google Chrome using a simple command line flag on Windows. This is a great fix if you prefer the old download tray instead of the newer download bubble, and it only takes a minute to try. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, completely close every Google Chrome window that is currently open. This is important because the shortcut change won't work properly if Chrome is still running in the background. Once Chrome is fully closed, go to your desktop and find your Google Chrome shortcut icon. Right-click that shortcut and choose Properties from the menu. This will open the Shortcut Settings window. Now make sure you are on the Shortcut tab and look for the field labelled Target. This is the line that tells Windows how Chrome should open. Click inside the target box, then scroll all the way to the very end of the text. After the existing text, add one single space. Then paste this exact command line flag. --disable-features equals download bubble. Make sure it is typed exactly as shown because even a small mistake can stop it from working. This flag tells Chrome to ignore the newer top download bubble and bring back the traditional download shelf at the bottom of the browser. After you've added the flag, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. Now open Google Chrome again, but be sure to launch it using that modified desktop shortcut you just edited. Once Chrome starts, download a file and check the bottom of the browser. In many cases, you should see the old-style download shelf appear again instead of the new download bubble. If it doesn't show up right away, double-check that you edited the correct shortcut and that Chrome was fully closed before reopening it. Also make sure the flag was added with a space before it and entered correctly. This method is especially useful if you rely on the bottom download bar for faster access to your files, or if the newer interface just doesn't feel as convenient to you. It's a simple tweak, but it can make a big difference in your workflow. If this tutorial helped you restore the download shelf in Google Chrome, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful browser tips, Windows fixes, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.